Hey guys, Yosuke is here. Have you ever wondered how can I automate building internal link between the blog posts and posts within my contents, your contents, right? Then that was the big time waster because if you do manually, you have to choose where is the best placement and you choose enter tag and you have to find related the blog post within your website, right? It's a really time-consuming process. Then the ChatGPT OpenAI had a dev conference just a few days ago and introduced GPT and AI assistants. So today I just want to share with you guys my GPT, and it's free to use, and it's called Blog Link Optimizer. I might change the name, but I don't know. But let me explain how it works. So first, you need to ask, just hit this button. I want to place internal links for my web page or article. Then it's asking the URL of the web page you want to place internal links on. Then also, you want to upload or paste your internal links sitemap. And finally, how do you want to be reported? Table or list, or you can actually suggest other method. But say in this case, I have this blog post over here. So I place URL. I just put the number because this chat is asking number. So just too specific, right? Then after that, it's asking my sitemap. So I have sitemap over here and place it. And after that, you can put everything in once. And I just said report me in a table format and hit enter, and it started processing. It takes a few moments. Wait for it. So somehow it's not accessing my site. It was working fine earlier, but if the same error happens to you, you just need to copy the whole thing and place it over here. The thing is, this GPT is still so buggy. So I think even if I don't change the instruction at all, it yields the different results. So this is exactly what you need, right? Where to link, and anchor text itself, and where it's going to be placed. Since we have like a 10 or 20, you don't want to have like too many links. But sometimes if your article is too long, you don't know where where this keyword goes, right? That's why I included this sentence. So what you have to do is just to copy and go and find here. So it just tells you, oh, this is the section, and just to look for this exact keyword and then put the link. Easy, right? So this is it. This is the GPT. So of course, at the time of recording, this is how the GPT behaves, but I will improve it over time. And when I first built, I wanted to make the way so it actually rewrite and include the internal link, so you don't need to copy and paste and edit original blog posts. But I found out it's more difficult because the output token is limited. So about like 4,000 tokens, right? So the ChatGPT doesn't spit the whole thing if the article was a really long article. So by doing this way, basically it works in any length as long as the input it fits, the 128K token. So that's why I made it this way. But if you have suggestions, please tell me and leave it in the comment, and I modify too. So hopefully it's gonna help you save the time. So thank you for watching. And if you like this video, and I'm gonna make videos like this more in future, so please consider subscribing my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.